Hey y'all, it's boy Jode, and welcome to Anomalous Coffee Machine. And I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I'm a little afraid to play this because we'll get there when we get there. But first, your description. In this game, meet a mysterious girl who demands you use the Anomalous Coffee Machine and create any drink you can imagine, whether realistic, paradoxical, or impossible. She's willing to sample whatever you create. However, she doesn't seem to like the cup of death. Well, why? Well, I think you know. This game is marked as adult only. You are seeing this game because you have set your preferences to allow this content. Yes, because there are sex scenes in this game. Yeah. So, why is this game make me scared? Let's see. You want to see how many transformations are in this game? There are 754 transformations in this game. Along with that, oh boy, where is it? There are 803 words, and the word we're covering today is cup of air, by the way. And yeah, that's that. Let's see. No. Where is... There are, yes, the 752. There are... Oh, that's the brew of coffee. There are 140 sex scenes to cover. 53 death scenes. And then there's all this other fun stuff, which we'll cover another time. But my dear Lord, there are so many things to cover. So many. I am not kidding with you guys. This game makes me go gun-ho crazy. But yeah, let's do it. So, cup of air. I believe that's the first word. Yes, it is the first word. We'll just skip that because, yeah, it's still in process. Why does it look like that? Looks gray. Oh, it's so light, almost like nothing. It's cool, gentle, like someone who slips through your fingers before you can really hold on. There's a freshness to it, crisp and clean, but it's fleeting, almost like they're there and gone in the same breath. Just air, but it leaves you feeling lighter, freer. That is a very interesting voice. Now, we do this, and she goes, say, do you need something? My coffee machine is over there. But yeah, that's literally it. That's all a cup of air does. So yeah, if you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for next video. Bye bye.